this is a great one. All right, so Chrissy says, what are answers in the chat area from all the people in my inner circle? What are the pros and cons of increasing the price to slow the sales of a product to avoid running out of stock until you can? What are the pros and cons of that? Answers in the question area. While I have a little slurp of me water. What do you reckon? Ooh, good work, guys. All right. Testing. All right. So, I love you guys. Some good information there. So here's some of the things, and you guys are nailing all this too. I will start by telling you that Amazon ranks your product, so decides where it's going to put your products in the search engine results page. So here's the search engine results page for the search term yoga mats. And this is how things are ranked, okay? All these things. That's position number 1. Oops. Posi number 1 just there. Posi number 2. Posi number 3. Posi number 4. Blah, blah, blah. Posi 5, okay? That's how the search engine rank works, okay? And Amazon uses a lot of different things to figure out where the hell to rank your product. A lot of different things. I cover all of that in my advanced SEO course. If you really want to understand SEO at a very high level, go get it. It's a friggin' awesome course. However, probably one of the biggest things relative to Chris's question is sales history. So what Amazon basically says is if you made 10 sales a day in the last 7 days, most things on Amazon happen in 7-day periods. If you made 10 sales a day in the last 7 days, then all things being equal, you're likely to make 10 sales a day in the future, which is a pretty good assumption to make by Amazon, okay? And so your position in the search engine results page will reflect what Amazon thinks you can do. So the more money Amazon, and therefore sales, of course, it should be the more sales that Amazon thinks you can make, more money for you, then clearly the higher your position in the search engine results page. So let's just apply that to this. So Amazon believes this yoga mat will make the most money for the search term yoga mats. And that is why it's in that position. It thinks this product here is worthy of being put to the test. That's why it's only got 5 reviews, and that's why it's there. Amazon honeymoon, as I call it. And then this product will make the next amount of money, and this product will make the next amount of money, okay? So here's the thing, and it's a real bitch. If you slow your sales down by raising your prices, you will also be telling Amazon that your position in the SERPs, search engine results page, should change. That's what you're also telling Amazon, okay? If you slow your sales down by raising your prices, then you'll tell Amazon you should not be ranking where you were ranking. And then when you relaunch, you have to overcome that and reteach Amazon to put you back where it had you. All right, so that inertia that you feel when you relaunch is because Amazon is saying, but that's not where you were. You were in position number 12. And you're like, but no, wait, I was in position 3 and then I put my prices up. And Amazon's like, no, now you're in posi number 12. That's where you belong until you prove us wrong, okay? And that proving wrong is done in 7-day increments as well. However, so there's that, Chrissy, to consider. However, it is compounded by crazy shit like, where is that thing from Mr. Johnson that we just had up here? What we had from John, where John said he had his pricing and he raised his price. Let's just say, I don't know the exact number. Let's say he went from $25 to $28.74. So raised his price and actually made more sales, which is weird, but happens way more than you'd expect. Happens way more than you would expect. And it's messed up and it messes up that sort of thing as well. So you could quite conceivably raise your prices and actually sell out faster, which is nuts, but it can happen, okay? So what do? Well, if it were me, I would raise my prices to the next price break point, as I discussed on last week's Q&A, or you might try out that pricing strategy, what John tried out, and see what happens. Because if you do run out, it's no real issue. You know what I mean? It's no real issue. You've still got that history there, and Amazon will kind of put you back. It's not a real big issue. It used to be, but it's not so much more, okay? It used to be, but it ain't so much more. All right. Good question, Chrissy. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.